In this video, we're going to look at the remote desktop settings here for Windows, and this will actually be the final video in the subset of the system settings videos. So remote desktop essentially allows you to control this computer from a remote device using the remote desktop client app, or just the remote desktop protocol from another Windows computer. So essentially all you really have here is to enable the ability to allow the remote connections to this computer, and then specify the users or accounts who can remotely access this computer. So you would click this link and then specify. So the main user of this computer already has access, but if you wanted to add additional users, you would click them and then type in their username, and it would look for a local user on the computer. So that is essentially it for the remote desktop settings. Pretty basic. We will cover in a future video how to actually configure and use the remote desktop protocol to access your computer remotely.